Ayaw na naman. Saan punta? Ha?
Hapon basura.
Edek, where are you going?
Throw garbage.
Ang mag-amang magkamuka. Go, go, go. Yay! Bebe koy! Bebeng! Ay! Snaberang pala ka. Loading.
Check out.
Baby ko. I'm going to Niagara. Matatawa ka. Mag-vlog ka. Bebe. Lagay ko sa YouTube to. Oh, what happened? Happen. Oh, wait for me. Wait for me. It's 85 cents color.
85 cents lang?
Malay ko. 85 cents lang, han? Going to the Niagara. Saan punta? Buhay si Marlon. Train going to
Niagara. No? Yun yun.
Bebe ko. Bebe ko. Bebe ko. Yan na ba yung sakit natin? Yan na ba yan? Hindi ba? Hindi naman eh. Ang bilis, grabe. Go train. Ano ba yan? Taas tayo.
Stand clear, there's no moving. And passengers, once the train comes to complete stop at Union Station, it will be out of service, so please don't stay on the train.
Bebe.
Once again, Union Stations are next and final station stop.
Bebe ko. Ano? Naintindihan mo yan? Ba marunong ka mag-French? Nag-aral ka ng French? Basic French lang yan.
French Bulldog.
Basic French lang yan, Jay.
Alright, passengers, we've arrived at Union Station. Based on the direction of travel, we're going to be opening up the right side of the doors first, followed by the left side of the...
Okay. 8747. So check on the screen. Check your passport number.
Thank you, thank you.
Kailangan ba? Saan tayo?
Or to tap your Presto card as you leave the bus. For your safety, only walk in the designated areas and stay off bus driveways. Thanks for choosing Go. À titre de rappel, n'oubliez pas vos objets personnels, ni de présenter votre carte Presto avant de descendre de l'autobus. Par mesure de sécurité, ne circulez que dans les zones désignées et évitez les voies de circulation d'autobus. Merci d'avoir cherché un arrêt. Niagara Falls Bus Terminal. As a reminder, don't forget items or to tap your Presto card as you leave the bus. For your safety, only walk in the designated areas and stay off bus driveways. Thanks for choosing Go. À titre de rappel, n'oubliez pas vos objets personnels, ni de présenter votre carte Presto avant de descendre de l'autobus. Par mesure de sécurité, ne circulez que dans les zones désignées et évitez les voies de circulation d'autobus. Merci d'avoir choisi Go.
Anak na tinukuha talaga. We go. Ride to fun. May mga ride. Ayun nga din sinasabi
Yan yung
na.
gabi, paggabi.
Oo, yung sinabi ni TJ. Ano mo yan? Tanungin mo. Pagbasa kami mga trivia siguro. Malamig siguro tubig niyan. Mamatay ako sa lamig ah.
Next stop is Table Rock, Jenny behind the falls. Welcome Thunder. Power station and Summit. Next stop, Table Rock, Jenny behind the falls.
Ano?
Power station.
Table Rock. Table Rock Center.
Also Park, this stop.
Baba na tayo?
What now? Huh?
Tape. Shit. Ano yun? Ba't umupo ka pa?
So anytime before 3 p.m., I will write it on your receipt.
Okay, thank you.
And then the other 3 that have booked times, the times are on the receipt. I will show you in a minute. So this card, you're gonna scan it to get into every attraction and to use the pass.
Is it a 2-day pass? Or like, can we do it, some of it tomorrow?
Some of the attractions tomorrow?
Yeah.
Right now, yeah. So right now you have Journey, White Water Walk, Arrow Car for today. Tomorrow, you can do the nighttime power station in the party. Said it was like $90.
90?
Expensive.
Yeah, that's why we both decided not to do it.
No promo for that.
Not that I know of, no. There's like no discounts or anything. So, I know. Unless you're an employee. Wait a minute. No, but they're a separate company though, so they wouldn't let me on.
You want to try?
So I'm gonna give you.
You want to try $90?
rundown.
For
I'm
zip
only
line.
rushing because this line is pretty. That's totally fine.
Expensive.
I will.
Agaw pa. May attraction. Yung kasama ko yun. That, ano, iba? Tunnel. Tapos ano. $17.
Let me take a video or video?
Ay! My God! Oh my God! Susuong tayo ng boat dyan? Ganyan? My God! Tapos lulusong tayo dyan. Ay, ganyan. Kaya nga. Eh, di ligong-ligo nga tayo niyan. OMG! Hanggang dyan lang ba yan? My God! Baka mangatog naman ako niyan. Ay! Ang lamig! Ay!
Is die aan zien opening halal?
OMG! Ay, basa na. Tingin tayo dun sa kabila, be. Sige na, magdiyan ka lang. Mag-picture lang kami, Papa. Hanap ka maganda ang gulo.
Yeah.
Dito kita picturean na. Sige na. Ah. Okay. Ito Jay, maganda Jay, oh. Ay, my God. Wait lang. Kaya rito. Ay, souvenir yan. Libre ba yan? Is it free? Eh, hindi masyadong ano, no? Kanina, grabe.
Ay, mga kulimlim din kasi. Kaya na ano ng lamig.
Diyos mio. Current erosion speed, Canadian horse show.
Yeah, I'm gonna quick effect.
Okay.
Two tunnels. The right tunnel will take you to 2 viewing portals behind the falls. Left tunnel is going to be the observation deck to go outside and look directly at the falls. These 2 portals here are dry and the observation deck is wet, so please watch your step on the observation deck. Okay?
Ano? Anong oras yung boat natin? Saan tayo? Here or here? Here. Sure ka sa schedule, ha? Papa? Papa mo? OMG. Mamaya, mag-picture lang muna tayo. Jay, picture tayo, Jay. Wait lang. Picture. Dalawa kayo. Okay. 1, 2. Done. Ahan, solo. Iya dapat. Wait, wait. Ay, asan na?
Dito sa gilid. Picture na, pinicture mo pa.
Jay! Pare yung flavor? Hindi.
Wala na.
Nga. Maple? Saan tayo? Tignan mo nga. Lapet. Tignan mo nga. Hindi ka lang marunong gumamit. Ito na. Ano meron dito? Ganito lang? Ay, come on. White water walk. No lip trace. Niagara Park. Ah, parang yun yung beach na nakakita doon kanina. Yan ba yun? Yung rainbow, ano ba yung yun? Yun na. Waterwalk. Sus me, yung marisip barbaridad.
Did you want to go to the place?
Tingnan muna tayo doon, ah. Yung pinunta natin kanina, dito rin yung bagsak ng tubig na yan. Tatawid tayo doon. Doon tayo tatawid. Tapos babalik dito. Doon na tayo. Doon tayo babalik. US na. Ay, ang lamig! Nang? Snack bar. Gusto ko yung yung fries nila ang laki. Hindi mo ba ilagyan ng protein ba yan?
Kahit ako.
Ano masarap? Hindi masarap? Para mga student na. Oh, lamig! My God! Dahil lamig. It's cold.
We have rented the first and the next. And it has eroded back 5.5 kilometers.
Mayo and mayo. Mayo pa. Shit, ang lamig! Ang lamig! Rock. Ano ba yan? Itik? Umikot na? Na iba yung tao dito? Sila pa rin? Ilang minutes pa tayo? Asa na ba tayo kasi? Oh my God, I'm tired. Ay, putan lamig. Raining, raining, and it's not raining. Oh my God. Tower Hotel. Ayan yung Marriott. Fasten where?
That was a joke. There are no seatbelts. But of course, please do hold on.
Oh my God.
And that was that bump. Trust me guys, that is the worst part of this trip. Unless you are afraid of heights.
Dapat pwede tayong tatlo dun sa likod eh. Ayaw nyo sa likod? Ah, hindi pwede. Ay, ang bilis pala. Ang bilis. Isang ganun lang yon balikan. Your safety. Thank you.
150 feet from the water and rocks. And if you are so unfortunate enough to drop your phone or selfie sticks, it'll take around 7 seconds to hit both. Don't know which one's better, hitting the rocks or the water.
Ano yung mga nandyan, Han? Waiting?
But as we are coming to a crawling stop, we will begin our walking rotation.
Watching lang?
Alright, so people to my left side, so that is a whirlpool side, would walk away from me and across the front. People to my right side would just walk towards me and across the back. This is so, as I said, everybody has both sides of the view. It's a clockwise rotation, so we can begin.
Ano? Han? Ayusin mo
Let's try
naman.
to do most of this rotation while we are at our standstill.
Pwede pala ako dito.
Walk, walk.
Walk, 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 walk. Ang lamig. Ah,
I've seen this
exchange.
process take anywhere between 30 seconds to the whole way back. So, let's try to keep on moving on, folks. We're all friends here.
Ang lamig, ang lamig, ang lamig, lamig.
So you guys can go on the left, right under the car. It won't matter where because you'll be rotating that through. And if you guys plan on getting a small to the right, get to the middle, there's space to get to the both the yellow bars on either end.
Doon tayo sa gilid dun sa kabila. Ang daming sinabi, ano daw ka? Uy, ba't naghiwalay? Humiwalay ka dito, sumama ka sa amin! AJ! Sumama ka sa amin dito! Alusot din? Okay! Ay, dito ako sa gitna. Can I go here? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang lamig. Bakit? Pareho lang yun. Shit, ang lamig.
Of the water, you will notice its bluish green coloration. That is because the water right now has limestone and minerals from the falls.
Diyan malaglag
And
yung
it's
budget
carried all
mo.
the way down here. It has a depth of approximately 126 feet and along the shore it's about 60 feet.
O yan, no, mga taga rito siguro yan.
If you were ever curious on what that white stuff on top of the water is, that is actually gas emissions from the Niagara boat tours in Niagara Falls.
Babae. Ay. Nagfi-fishing siya.
And if you look off
Ayun,
to
tignan mo
the
ano.
distant whirlpool side, you will
Nagfi-fishing
notice
siya.
a large concrete slab. Someone is standing on it, so it's easier to keep. And over here on this rocky shore
Fishing.
down at the rapids, you will see a yellow circle. Both of these pads are rescue helicopter landing pads, and if anything were to happen, each passenger pays around 10,000 Canadian dollars. And for my American folks, that's around 99 cents, thanks to currency exchange rates.
Nagfi-fishing.
Bawal.
Yun lang yung pwedeng gawin na legal fishing. Sabi sa'yo may isda dyan eh. Yun
Meron.
Kaya di
With
siya
that said, folks, I hope you had an amazing tour here today. If you want to leave a good review, of course, my name is Richard, but if you want to leave a bad review, my name is now Ali. Remember that. Well, other than that, I hope everyone has an amazing rest of your stay here in Niagara Falls, Canada. As you do log into the dock, you will feel a slight bump. It's not as aggressive as the first one, but please do hold on. Just watch your step, leave to your left side, and through the gates. Other than trying to
Gaga.
keep on moving, put your phones away because this is where most phones are dropped.
Han. Jay, oh. Dito, Jay, sa bandang tubig ka, Jay. Jay, oh. Bilis, Jay.
We're about almost there, folks. Just a little bit more. Just try to squeeze on through.
Ayan, done na. Diba? Oh, same.
Were you guys the first ones on the other side?
Yeah. Han,
Alright,
kapal.
perfect.
Thank you. Ilang minutes pa tayo? Asa na ba tayo kasi? Oh my God, I'm tired. Jay. Jay. Maglakad na. Hinap na ba? Ha? 26 walking?
What kind of restaurants do you recommend? Zappy's is pretty good. Zappy's?
Sa Italian restaurant.
Yeah, we plan that, but I think
Huh?
they're okay, go ahead.
It's called the Burger Factory. They're really good. Probably like the best in town.
Alright,
For like restaurants.
okay.
Yeah, the Italian, Mexican, and American.
We've got it all.
You got it pretty much all.
Niagara Falls. Broadway Inn. Ay, my God, ang lamig. Suotin ko na nga ito. Mamamatay na ako sa lamig. Saan tayo? Ay, ang lamig. Silamig. Yung ako naka-double jacket. Sila naka-short and long sleeve only. Oh my God. To the falls. Incline railway. Meron tayo niyan, Jay, diba? Incline? Ha? Anong mangyayari? Anong gagawin dyan, Jay? Ah, Jay? Anong gagawin dyan? For 2 days.
Other way around, please.
Sorry.
Other way around. Thank you.
Serves me right.
Ah, ito yung bumababa na nakikita natin doon. Ah, pwede pala tayo umakyat kanina. Nag-ano pa tayo, nag-lift pa tayo.
Hindi nga natin.
Ah, okay. Ay, my God. Ayun pala yun. Hindi namin kanina nakita to. Nag-lift pa kami papuntang hotel. Okay.
Ngayon na kayo nakasakay?
Oo, kanina pala nakikita namin siya. Hindi pala alam namin kasama rito sa ano namin package.
Naka-ano kayo tour?
Oo, naka-tour kami. Sayang yung lift namin kanina.
Hindi lang pala yan.
Apo. Saan tayo? Where are we going? Saan na tayo, bebe? Niagara flight. Ano ba yung flight na yan? Hindi, nakikita ko na yan kanina. Hindi ko na maalam na yan incline. Ay, ano yun man? Ano yun yung parang globe?
Sa, ano yan? Sa US side na yun.
Ah, attraction din yan. Ano kaya yung ano? Ha? Ano yung diagonal take flight? Saan si AJ? Kita pala dito eh. Come on. Jay. Jay. Flow through the plant. Ito na yan, Jay. Meron yata ang ano eh. Parang may naantay sila. O nagpapahinga lang sila. Mamatay ako dyan. Electrifying. Alin yan?
Tara.
Pasok tayo. Dito tayo na. Yung falls na ba yan? Hindi Ano ba yan? Hindi ko maintindihan dito. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano ba to? The echoes of power. Stories from achievers. Baka may kakaiba rito. Channel 1902. Iba ako buhay niya na. Tesla. Ano yan? Rush the flow. What? Saan na tayo? Han! Saan na ba? Impact on water. Connected by water, from the falls of water. Listen to the stories. Connected to the falls. Connected by water. Rick Hill. Mrs. Saugas of the Prediction. The tunnel entrance. Meron, ay ano ba yan? Yung tunnel entrance na yan. Yun o. Meron pa dyan? Building the tunnel viewing platform. Yung pinasok natin kanina, no? So, hindi siya, man-made, no? No?
These two over here are over 100 years old at this point as well. But when this power station was in full operation, the 11 pipes would bring down 80,000 gallons of water per minute per pipe, so that's for each pipe there. It's equivalent to around 300,000 liters of water per pipe per minute. So the water will drop from top to bottom into a turbine set. These turbine sets will spin these large metal shafts right behind you as well, 250 rotations per minute. They will go all the way back up into their respective little alternators and also spin them, which is how we generated our electricity. Once you're looking in the back, you also see our wheel pit. This is where the water will drop down. Water drops down right here and flows down this tunnel which you're walking down today, and will go back out to the Niagara River. We also have ponchos at the end of the tunnel if you don't want to get bed. You can either keep them or throw them out. And when you exit the elevator, just keep to the right-hand side. Alrighty, folks, thank you for your time. Have a good one. Thank you.
The tunnel. Ang haba lang nilakad ng tunnel na to. Grabe siya. 30 minutes walk ata siya. We need coat again. Han. Han. Saan sa akin? Youth, adult. Ay my God. Need to wear coat. Han. Sayaw. Nalatap ka camera sayaw. Ano? Yung manggi. Mahina siya. Uy mo. Hindi naman mababasa. Diyos ko po, oh. Hanggang dyan lang ba yan? Papasok ba? Hanggang dyan lang?
It's a job, wow. Superman.
Baliw. Dami ng tao sa taas, ano? Na?
Picture mo tapos
Ayan na.
New York side.
New York ba yan? Hindi ako. Naunti ng tao. Lalgabi na? Foamy. Ano yung reason ng foamy na yan? Han? Ano yung reason ng foamy na yan? Han? Ano yung reason ng foamy? Diba nabasa mo kanina? Yung reason ng foamy na yan.
Yung yung muddy at saka yung clay galing dyan sa
Kaya may ganyan.
foam.
Watch your step. Back to ulit. Oh. Doon tayo sa gilid, oh. Doon tayo sa gilid ng falls. Wala bang ilaw? O, pahinga muna tayo konti. Layo ng nilakad natin, eh. Ha? May konti, mga 10 minutes.
Tropa!
Gawin mo nga.
Kayo. Hi guys, nandito kami sa farm. Kita nyo naman yung mga alaga. Ayan, feeding program. Ayan na, tatabayin natin.
Damo.
ng farm mo.
Mm. Medyo tanga. Yung nag-iisang data nilang suot. Incline Railway. Meron po, yun oh. What time? Until what time? Ay, ang open J tomorrow. What time? Yun oh, please. Where is the assistance? Ay, tanong ka. Tanong ka. Ayun yung lalaki. Ayun. Huwag kang magturo.
There's a giant wire underneath that, like, so, like, they can only run both at a time.
Move. Move. Ay, my God. I'm tired.
So I think we're just...
All right?
Applebee's.
Upgrade, free breakfast.
Fridays. Thanks God it's Friday. What day today? It's Thursday. Parang tanga. Di mabuhay ng walang Outback Steakhouse. I'm tired na. We're eating dinner pa. Come on, let's eat. Kaya na. Tagal naman.
Chocolate.
Hindi. Chop. Kami. If we walk to Niagara, how many minutes?
If you want to go down to the falls, there's two ways. If you go behind Embassy Suites and take the incline car, it's about from here to the Embassy Suite car, it's 7 minutes.
7
But
minutes.
if you want to go a little bit, like you don't want to take the cart, it's about 20 minutes. So if you go straight on Stanley Avenue and take a ride on Murray Street, it's about like a 20-minute walk. You just go down the hill. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
20 minutes. Anong ano yun?
Yep, just keep going straight back and you'll see the room, okay?
Yeah. Ang number natin? $103, $104, $105. Ano ba? $105 nga? Ay, $105. Where is the light? Only one?
Aircon, please.
Ito lang light. Dim light lang. Ayan yung ano.
Magkano ito na? LG tapos Philips. Ito tayo, no?
Ay, putan lamig. Raining, and it's not raining. Oh my God. Tower Hotel. Ayan yung Marriott. Oh, ito lang yung Marriott sa likod lang eh.
Kaya nga, ayaw mo maglakad, di ba? Sabi nga na,
Hindi, may way yan. Di niya lang alam. Naligaw yan. Ayan o, Niagara Falls view. Baka may lusutan yan dyan eh. Ay my God. What time is it? Ayan daw eh. Yan yung... Sabi mo 26 minutes walking. Diba? May shortcut siguro yan eh. Umiikot lang tayo.
You know any good places over here for Canadian food?
Bilis.
may maraming bibi. Akong nakita. Mataba, mga bibi. Ngunit ang isa sa
Sayo ka, bilis. Bilis. Pil na pil mo lagi yan eh.
Nang wak-wak.
Baliw. Gusto sumasayaw lagi. Meron? Doon sa kabila, yun oh. Rice is life. Burger. Rainbow. Nakada-tunnel ka pa? Saan tayo banda? Saan si Edek?
See what happened to the back of lips.
Yung ano? Yung sinakyan natin, patawid. Wala pa rin. Ganda be oh. Be oh. Ay dito dyan Han, pa-picture kayo to Han. Dyan oh. After them. Dito sa isa oh. Dalawa kayo, bilis. Ano, sumausaw? Sumausaw yung rubber shoes niya, kakabidyo niya. The tunnel. O, di ba? Isa lang kinuha mo? Napakinabangan mo pa? Ah, wala ka nga palang jacket. Nasa akin jacket mo. Ito naman, Dove. Ano pa? Whatever.
Sigal nga. Yan.
Sigal.
Kingfisher.
Game video. Sayaw, bilis, sayaw. Ganyan na lang sayaw. Diana Grovers. Ay, putang ina, ay basa! Hananuhan. Mapalakpak. Parang tanga. Baliw talaga.
Pretty hard to build a thing that can work sometimes. Though since it's just really efficient. Yeah. I wonder, just a lot of the time when people write this, it's just for the view.
I mean, or no, a lot of people also go back to the hotel out here. There's a bunch of hotels out here.
We put it on pause.
It's been raining in Manila. Yan na yung light niyan. Baka meron pa yan. Baka matay?
Sumunod dito may tubig na yun. Tapos na gano'n.
Tapos inalog na pa ganito. An?
Picture ka sa idol mo ha.
Di ba ako? Wait lang. Second day morning. Outback and road. Roadway Inn. Yung mga ID nyo ha? Pahigangan kasi.
For Lord dress. Dress for Lord. Wak po tayo pa. Parang si ano ah. Jinky ah. Parang si Jinky ah. Harap ka nga, Jinky. Jinky Odo. Jinky Pacquiao.
Gagi. Huwag ka magulo. Patayin mo na. Ano kaya upload ganyan? Ang luloko ka.
Bakit? Loko ba yun?
Check ka? Bakit tumawid pa kayo? Di ba incline tayo? Ayan pala oh, Jay. Serve daily until 2 p.m. Ay, hindi siya. Ay, hindi siya Anli. Yung po kakapunta natin, Anli yun eh. A.m. at Niagara again. Butterfly show. Butterfly garden. Ay. Morning. We go. Butterfly garden. Butterfly ano to? Garden cafe. Whoa. Ayi? Is that you? Yeah. Dyan sa loob. Hindi, nakakulong yung mga butterfly dyan. Akala ko nga, parang garden na punong-puno ng butterfly. Botanical garden. Nakakulong pala sila sa isang butterfly garden. Butterfly Conservatory. Come on, enter. Oh, may butterfly ba? Ang dami. Ha? Baho. Hawakan mo nga kung, ganun ka kung dadapo sa'yo. Dapat may food or flower ka. Ha? No ano?
No food and drink.
Sabi. Paano sila dadapo? Meron yan. Baka merong... Please watch your step. Ayun, dami yan sa taas. Ano ba yan? Akyat? Ano yan? Ano yan? Larva pa? Ayun. Diyan nila yun, pinapadami. Ayun mga ano no.
Yung
Naging
lalabas na.
ito naging butterfly. Ay, magpa-butterfly na, no? Ito, larva, uod pa. Ay, ayan, no? Palabas, no? Diba? Ayan, no, white, diba? Pag ganong, ano na, wala na sila, lumipad na. Lalabas na sila sa butas, no? Yan mo to, Jay?
Yes.
Butterfly na sa Hindi siya maalis, oh. It's not moving. The butterfly. Oh, that's almost na yan. Hindi naman yung color larva. Puro ano ba, ang tawag ba dyan? Butterfly and then we go over here. Yun pala, once metamorphosis. Lots of butterfly. Ano Han? Enjoy ka ba sa butterfly, Han? Han? Enjoy ka ba sa butterfly? Aray ko pa. Ano matapo sa'yo, Han? Butterfly feeding. Ito pala, oh. Ayan, oh. Ganun ka nga kung may dadapo sa'yo. Coins are toxic to the fish. Oh. Picture ang kata.
Okay.
1, 2. Yan, side view yan. 1, 2. Aba, dinapuan ka ng butterfly. Sasama daw siya sa'yo. Diba? Ay, lolalis. Tatay. Ang ganda. May mata pa, oh. Oh. Okay. Kaya mo lang siya. Ay, gumalaw. Ibang angle. Nakatakot, brown. Ay, yung green no, Gia, yung ganda. Green butter. Ayan o. Ito o.
Mama, teta. Mama, teta.
Cutie. Cutie baby. Sila, vegetarian sila. Pagkain nila. Butterfly feeding, do not disturb. Japanese holy fern. Yellow ginger. Butterfly feeding. Ito, Jay, oh, Jay. Jay, orange. Ito, oh. Malapit lang. Ito, oh. Ito, oh. Kaya mo siya. Ikaw nagpatay? Oh, ito. Ito. Yan, try mo lang. Ayaw talaga sa'yo. Paa kasi yung hawakan mo. Wala, ayaw sa'yo. Dungwa ka na malapit-lapit. Ito, Jay, malapit. Ayun na. Sa paa, ganun mo sa paa. Oh. Ito. Ito pala, laki. Oh. Ha? Ano sabi mo? Ano yan? Sabi mo? Oh, yun. Papa mo na boring. Papa mo board na board. Come on na. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, bebe. Gift shop na gift shop. Tingnan natin kung may maganda. Going out to Butterfly Conservatory. Ano? Carhartt boy. Carhartt. Kanya.
Next stop is for the Whirlpool Golf Course and Restaurant. This is a southbound stop only.
Golf course and restaurant. Ano? Eat all you can breakfast for only $8.99. All you can do. Han. Paglamo na naman, Han. Buffet, buffet. Ha?
Kanin namin.
Ni free? Ang dami nito. Ah, ito pala. Para saan to?
Condiment.
Pancake? Eat all you can breakfast. Canada all you can. Hanggang dinner na to.
Huwag na, picture lang.
Okay lang. All done. So hot in here. Kamukha mo, Jay, oh.